Did Angela file for an annulment instead of a divorce as a way to hurt Michael? A divorce lawyer has weighed in, and it appears the 90-day fiancé personality may be trying to ruin Michael's chances of staying in the U.S. Previously, we learned that Angela filed for an annulment in June 2024 after 4 years of marriage. In her court documents, she claims that Michael committed fraud by inducing her to marry him solely for the purpose of getting to America. Michael has already raised nearly $37,000 to help cover his attorney fees, but it could be a waste of time and effort if Angela's annulment is granted. According to divorce attorney Randy Kessler, who recently commented on the couple's situation, Angela's motives were likely aimed at hurting her soon-to-be ex-husband. Randy explained to the outlet, the longer a marriage lasts, the more likely the immigration authorities are to consider it a valid marriage for immigration purposes. He added an annulment means there never was a marriage, so if his immigration status relied in part on his marriage, an annulment might ruin his immigration status. According to him, Angela's annulment filing could have been a way to hurt Michael's immigration status. Divorces are typically easier to grant than annulments, says Mr. Kessler, who believes that divorce would have been the better option for the couple. Randy explained, some people prefer to say they were never married than saying they are divorced. We hear that often, and some judges accommodate that request, but it does sound more like a divorce would be proper. And because of this reason, people often ask for annulments rather than divorces. An annulment means Angela would have a chance at a first marriage with someone else. And if the judge is sympathetic, says Randy, they may grant Angela the requested annulment. If not, either she or Michael could then file for divorce. It's unclear whether Angela has conjured up any concrete evidence against Michael to back up her claims he coerced her to fraudulently wed him. In fact, Angela's theory that he had scammed her and physically cheated on her was disproven during Part 3 of the Happily Ever After Season 8 tell-all. We learned she hired a private investigator named Todd, who came to the tell-all with his 189-page report. Despite his intensive investigation into Michael's activities, both online and off, Todd and his team were unable to find any evidence against Michael, clearing the Nigerian native's name after years of allegations made by Angela. After sharing his findings or lack thereof, Todd spoke with 90-Day Fiancé producers backstage.
I don't see any reason why Angela should be suspicious of Michael or his behavior. But a concern that I have is how adamant she is about wanting to find a lie or something wrong in the report. It's almost like she's not willing to accept the truth.
What do you think the intentions are behind Angela's filing for an annulment? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on the 90-Day Fiancé franchise and even more reality TV news.